Hello?
Hi, I was looking for Ashley.
This is Ashley. How can I help you?
Hey, Ashley, how are you? My name is Seth McElroy, and I live in your apartment building. I got your phone number from our manager.
Okay.
The other day, I was down in the laundry area, and I had to put some of my stuff from the washer into the dryer, so I had to, move your stuff out, and I needed to ask you a question about your laundry.
Okay.
Where do you get your underwear?
What did you just ask me?
You know, I saw your underwear when I was changing the laundry around, and the thing is, okay, here, my wife is great, and I love her and all, but she's really lacking in the underwear department, and your underwear is straight up sexy.
What is going on here?
Hey,
Are you for real?
I don't know why you're getting so upset. It's not like I sniffed it or anything. I saw your underwear.
Oh my God! Are you really? Are you really for real?
I guess I shouldn't be. Jeez, I had no idea you were gonna bite my head off.
You understand what you're telling me? You're asking me about my underwear and
Yeah.
talking about smelling it.
I said I didn't smell it.
But why would you even think of that? Like, wow,
That would be weird.
are you bananas?
I'm
What
just...
is wrong with you?
Take a compliment, lady. Jeez.
Not a compliment, because I don't know you, and you're calling me about my underwear.
Yes. And I showed it to my wife, and she thought it was great too, and we just want to know...
Fucking underwear, huh?
Just to show my wife.
Who are you?
She liked it a lot too. We both
No,
think...
you're calling me out the blue, talking about my underwear, my personal garments.
Yeah, but I'm
I don't
not...
know who you are, buddy.
But I'm calling you to tell you that it's good stuff. It's not like I'm saying, hey, buy some new drawers, they're nasty. I'm saying you have nice underwear.
Excuse me, buddy. You are way out of line. And I swear to God, if I see you, I will snatch your head off, okay?
Hey, listen, if you're upset because I took your underwear, I can give it back to you tomorrow.
No, you're going to bring me my underwear today.
I can't do that, though.
I don't know who you think you are, buddy. You bring me my today.
I'm just a guy who's a fan of your undergarments.
No, I don't care about that. I want my back today.
Okay. I'll call my wife and tell her to take them off. We'll wash them for you.
What? Are you kidding me? Your wife has my drawers on?
Yeah, and they look good.
Are you a sick pervert?
Ma'am, why are you getting so upset at me?
This whole thing since you called me? I swear, once I get my underwear back, I'm calling the cops on you, man.
I'd really prefer not to have the police involved.
Excuse me?
I'd prefer if we didn't get the authorities involved.
That's bull. I'm calling the cops.
Okay.
I'm calling the cops.
Well, what if
I am calling the cops.
Okay, well, what if I tell you I'm joking?
No, you're not joking, you pervert.
No, I am joking.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
I want my back.
This is a prank phone call. I am joking.
I want my things.
I don't have your This is Jubal from Brook and Jubal in the Morning doing a phone tap on you.
So you're telling me that this is a prank?
Yes.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you. Your friend Courtney set you up. Thank God you laughed. I thought you were about ready to kill me like in real life.
Oh, I do want to kill you in real life, but I am so happy that this is a joke. 'Cause I was like...
Your friend Courtney told us that you're upset because somebody keeps moving your stuff in the laundry room.
She told you that?
Yeah.
She had to tell you that. Yes.